We have been using iAuditor for a number of years for more quality-based audits. However, about 12 months ago, I embarked on a process of actually putting our behavioural observations into the iAuditor platform. This is something where we go out and witness our team members completing a task. We talk to them about what they're doing safely and congratulate and thank them for that. And if there's anything they're doing that is at risk or could use improvement, we also engage with them on that.
We go grab a tablet, we follow the prompts. It's already got everybody's name inputted into it. We just go through the safety procedures that have been already input into the application to make sure that they are having their feet pointed in the right direction, same direction as they're placing the cartons, so that the spine and everything's in line. We're looking to make sure they're bending from the knees, protecting their backs, and to cut down on work-related injuries.
We have several inspections based on the predominant tasks we have on site. So it's set up so that there's a preliminary page which picks up preliminary information such as the person conducting, what area it's being conducted in, the person for whom it's being conducted on. It then moves into the detailed questions, and those detailed questions have been built based on our safe operating procedures, and they cover the critical safety behaviours that we want to see during that engagement. So the last page creates a prompt to make sure that our supervisory team don't forget to have that really valuable engagement with our team. iAuditor is a very valuable tool from a safety perspective for two reasons predominantly. The first reason we've talked about, which is the engagement piece with the people. The second piece is around the Work Health and Safety Act and being able to prove that you have supervised your safety rules. And iAuditor gives us a way to actually document and prove that we are supervising our people with regards to safety.